Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Lolila. Today I will be making siomai, and in another video I will be showing to you how I made this siomai sauce. And if you like to know the recipe, just keep on watching. For the ingredients, I have here some carrots, onions, spring onions, shrimps, pork, salt, pepper, garlic powder, sesame oil, magic sarap, and siomai wrapper or dumpling wrapper. All you need to do is to mix all the ingredients together, season it with the magic sarap, pepper, garlic powder, salt, and sesame oil. I added 1 egg, but it's just an optional ingredient. After that, all you need to do is to combine well. Place the meat at the center of the siomai wrapper. You don't have to seal the whole thing. Do the same to the remaining siomai wrapper. To prevent the wrapper from sticking to your steamer, all you need to do is to spray it with oil, or you can just wipe it with any cooking oil of your choice. So I only have here sunflower oil spray, so that's what I'm using. Then arrange your siomai. Then steam it for about 20 to 30 minutes in medium heat. Our siomai is cooked, and I will be showing you in a separate video how I made my chili garlic sauce for the siomai. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time. Bye.